Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick little brow tutorial for you. I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade Medium Brown. This is just like a quick everyday brow, nothing fancy. Just going to brush through. Okay. And then I start here at the bottom. And I just kind of follow the natural hairline. And at the top, same thing, just kind of follow the hairline just to give yourself a shape. Just like that, and then just flick up. Just go through just so everything looks uniform. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so don't get too wrapped up in making sure they look even. And I just kind of brush through it again to give it more of like a hair-like stroke look. Same thing on this side. I have more sparse hairs on this side. This side has more hairs like in the front. So I just have to work a little bit extra on this side to fill it in. And then brush through here. Just kind of clean it up a little bit there. And just keep kind of brushing through if I feel like there's any kind of areas where it's a little bit darker than another area. And there we go. That's it. Alright, so if you guys like this video, you want to see more videos like this, you can like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.